Banachtaí na féile pádraig ar chlan mhór dón den ngéil, sa bhaile agus ar fud na crinne ar lá náisiúnta ceillartha seo. I'm delighted to send St. Patrick's Day greetings to all those taking part in this year's celebrations, whether it's at home in Ireland or around the world. St. Patrick's Festival is our special opportunity to deepen and to celebrate the bonds of heritage and affection which link the global Irish family and its friends right around the world. It's a great showcase of the Irish love of life, and this year, more than any in our recent past, this is one to savour with special joy. The welcome return of devolved government to Northern Ireland has brought to the island of Ireland a promising era of peace, prosperity and partnership. Thank you to each one of you for the support and the encouragement you invested in our long, hard journey to this time of concord. There can be very little doubt that the best is yet to come. I hope that the many new immigrants to Ireland who will be joining the celebrations this year will take inspiration from the most influential immigrant of them all, St. Patrick himself. Today his name and that of Ireland are synonymous, and each year as we gather in his honour, we can see the widening global reach and the richly diverse character of his extensive family. To each one of you, I wish a wonderful St. Patrick's Day 2008. Enjoy it wherever you are, and may St. Patrick long continue to bless you, to bless his beloved Ireland and her people.